Hi all, it's Teresa in Gemma's house. Well, it's a rainy, overcast morning this morning. I'm such a homebody. I love to be home and working on my creative projects all the time. And one of the creative projects I love to do is to move the furniture layout around in my different rooms. And also because the weather has gotten a little better lately, I'm feeling like I want the living room to be right here so I can see outside to my backyard. So Gemma knows what's going on. She can tell that look on my face. But she deals with it perfectly fine. It's about 10:30 in the morning and I'm in between projects, so I want to see how long this will take me. And I'm starting by taking all of the quilts and pillows off of the couch. And I have moved furniture around in this room a couple times already, so I know where these bigger pieces will fit to be out of the way so I can move this rug. And this rug, I got this on Amazon used. And the padding under it too, I got that used, so they were both great prices. And they're very easy to move around on this tile floor. So whenever I move my furniture around, that gives me a good chance to vacuum, which is otherwise a low priority for me. And I am just trying to center up this area rug nicely with the fireplace. And I'm glad I didn't attach this fireplace to the wall because I knew that I would want to move my furniture layout around, and so it would have to change walls. I've moved my heavy furniture around all my life, so I kind of know how to push my weight around to do it, and I just take my time so I don't hurt myself too. But everything is sliding really easily on this tile floor. So it's kind of nice to have the dining area over on this side because it seems closer to the kitchen, so it makes sense in that regard. This bookcase is loaded with big heavy books, but again, I'm just taking my time, and it has slider feet on the bottom, so it did move pretty easily. And I'm just making sure all of my decorations are back where they were before and that I create nice cozy spaces. So in the meantime, it cleared up nicely outside. And oh, this is an upcoming project. I bought this beautiful oak rocker at the Salvation Army for $8 a few months ago, and it did have a cushion on it, which I removed because it was kind of broken. And I'll just cut a piece of wood for this rocker, and I'll make my own cushions. That way I can use the fabric that I like. And I like how the fireplace looks on this wall because it's closer to the glass sliding door. It gets a lot more light. And this is a cozy little seating area to watch TV here right near the glass sliding door. And it looks like Gemma thinks it's a nice cozy spot too. I'm going to have to find the perfect spot for this Robert Wood reproduction print that I bought years ago, and I haven't hung it up yet in this house. This little space is kind of like a cozy little breakfast nook surrounded by the couch and the kitchen counter. And again, I think it's a cozy little spot, and I'm into making cozy spots in my house. I'm really enjoying the colors that I have here. And oh, I also have to show you this beautiful framed reproduction print that I got at Goodwill for $8 this week. I just can't pass these beautiful images up. I think it'll look great on this wall right above this real painting that I also got at a thrift store website years ago. And my carved lizard will have to find his way into the hallway on this blue wall, I think. So I use mostly beiges and rusts and oranges and reds and all different types of blues in this open layout room. And I think they all go nicely together. Being that the fireplace is now closer to the glass sliding door and it gets much more light, I really like how it shows off the texture of this fireplace. And I made this faux fireplace and I have a video on it that I will link to the end of this video in case you'd like to watch it. And Gemma is all relaxed. She likes the new layout too. I have a lot of empty walls now that I will be filling up with my paintings. I've had 16 of my paintings on exhibit at an area library for the last 2 months, and they'll be coming home this week. So I'll be filling up these walls. So this project of moving my furniture took me about an hour and a half. It's now close to noon. And I think it's a great time to sit down and relax on the couch with a cup of coffee and watch the birds in the backyard. And there are a couple now on the grass. And it's really cleared up nicely this afternoon. It's just so beautiful after the rains. And if you like this video, can I ask you to please give it a thumbs up? And can I also ask you to check my main Gemma's House channel page? If you click on the videos tab, you can scroll through all the videos and you might see another video or two that you'd be interested in watching. So thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate the viewer support. Bye-bye.